Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Mitsubishi Electric, Mitsubishi Fuso, Toyota, Kawasaki Heavy Industries, IHI Corporation, Japan Marine, United Mitsui Engineering and Shipbuilding, NIC, Japan Radio Company, Toshiba, Fujitsu, Oki Electric Industry, Koito Manufacturing, Howachaguko, Kyaku, Toray Industries, Idemitsu, Kosan, Daisal, Asahi, Seiki Manufacturing, Shin Meva, Japan Steel Works, Subaru Corporation, Minebee, Mitsumi Komatsu Limited, Yamaha Motor Company, Kaiba Industry, United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Switzerland, France, Sweden, Germany, Italy. Battle of Amami Oshim, Iraq War Operation Ocean Shield, JSDF overseas dispatches. The Japan Self-Defense Forces, also known as the Self-Defense Forces or Japanese Armed Forces, are the unified military forces of Japan that were established by the Self-Defense Forces Law in 1954. They are controlled by the Ministry of Defense, with the Prime Minister as Commander-in-Chief. In recent years, the JSDF has engaged in international peacekeeping operations with the United Nations. Tensions, particularly with North Korea, have reignited debate over the status of the JSDF and its relation to Japanese society. Since 2010, the JSDF has refocused from countering the former Soviet Union to the People's Republic of China. Increased military cooperation with Australia, India, Taiwan, South Korea, Singapore, the United Kingdom and the United States, and acquired new or updated equipment and hardware. Japan was deprived of any military capability after being defeated by the Allies in World War II, and was forced to sign a surrender agreement presented by General Douglas MacArthur in 1945. It was occupied by U.S. forces and only had a minor domestic police force on which to rely for domestic security and crime. Rising tensions in Europe and Asia due to the Cold War, coupled with leftist-inspired strikes and demonstrations in Japan, prompted some conservative leaders to question the unilateral renunciation of all military capabilities. These sentiments were intensified in 1950 as occupation troops began to be moved to the Korean War. The waterborne counterpart of NPR was also founded. The Security Treaty between the United States and Japan was signed on 8 September 1951. The treaty allowed United States forces stationed in Japan to deal with external aggression against Japan, while Japanese ground and maritime forces would deal with internal threats and natural disasters. It permitted the United States to act for the sake of maintaining peace in East Asia and exert its power on Japanese domestic quarrels. Accordingly, in mid-1952, the National Police Reserve was expanded to 110,000 men and named the National Safety Forces. The Coastal Safety Force was transferred with it to the National Safety Agency to constitute an embryonic navy. Under Article 9 of the 1947 Constitution, which was written by Prime Minister Kijiro Shidehara under the supervision of the SCAP, Japan forever renounces war as an instrument for settling international disputes and declared that Japan will never again maintain land, sea, or air forces or another war potential. Later cabinets interpreted these provisions as not denying the nation the inherent right to self-defense and, with the encouragement of the United States, developed the JSDF step by step. On July 1, 1954, the National Security Board was reorganized as the Defense Agency, and the National Security Force was reorganized afterwards as the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force was established as a new branch of JSDF. General Kaizo Hayashi was appointed the first chairman of Joint Staff Council, professional head of the three branches. The enabling legislation for this was the 1954 Self-Defense Forces Act. The Far East Air Force, U.S. Air Force, announced on 6 January 1955 that 85 aircraft would be turned over to the fledgling Japanese Air Force on about 15 January. The first equipment of the new force. On 19 January 1960, the amended Treaty of Mutual Cooperation and Security between the United States and Japan corrected the unequal status of Japan in the 1951 treaty by adding mutual defense obligations. The U.S. is required to pre-inform Japan of any mobilization by the U.S. Army. The US is also prohibited from exerting any power on domestic issues within Japan. The treaty obligates Japan and the United States to assist each other if there's an armed attack in territories administered by Japan, because it states that any attack against Japan or the United States in Japanese territory would be dangerous to each country's peace and safety. The revised treaty requires Japan and the United States to maintain capacities to resist common armed attacks. Thus, it explains the need for US military bases in Japan. This established a security alliance between Japan and the United States. The treaty has lasted longer than any other alliance between two great powers since the Peace of Westphalia treaties in 1648. In 1983, Japanese Prime Minister Yasuhiro Nakazone pledged to make Japan an unsinkable aircraft carrier.